Okay, so start na tayo serial. Natatakpan ba itong video panel?
Oo, sa may sa
Move
gilid.
ko na lang. Okay, so yung prepare kong questions, Sterling, merong multiple choice, meron din yung journal entry. So pwede kang mag-unmute kung gusto mo, or pwede rin isend mo na lang sa group chat. Okay, so first question, what is the journal entry for the transaction of goods returned by a customer? Transaction of goods returned by a customer. Ano yung i-debit at ano yung i-credit? Sige, Charlene, okay lang kahit i-type mo lang sa group chat. Journal entry for the transaction, ayan, debit, sales, returns, and allowance, and credit accounts receivable. So, check natin. Ayan, sales, returns, and allowances, or pwede rin dito sa credit, trade receivables, or accounts receivable. So, tama. Madali lang, ano? Okay, so next question. Ito, entry ulit.
Excuse. Natatakpan ng color block? Ay,
Ayan.
chat box ata yan. Chat box ba yan?
Oo, chat box.
Natatakpan kasi yung share screen.
Sige.
Usap
Ito
na
nga
lang saglit sa kanila. Ganyan. Okay na.
Sige. Okay, so next question tayo. Suppose an entity purchases 50,000 goods on credit. The journal entry should be, the purchases naman. Yun, debit purchases and credit accounts payable. So, tama. Next question, ito, may pagpipilian ka na. Which of the following is a correct definition of gross profit? A, gross profit is equal to gross profit less other expenses. B, gross profit is equal to net sales less net purchases. Or letter C, gross profit is equal to net sales less cost of goods sold. Okay, letter C, tama. Gross profit is equal to net sales less cost of goods sold. Next tayo, ito. The two main inventory accounting systems are the following. A, purchases and sales. B, cash and accrual. Or letter C, perpetual and periodic. Okay, tama. So, perpetual at periodic yung dalawang accounting system. Next, a sale on March 21 with terms of N/10 is due to be collected by kapag ka within 10 days. Hanggang kailan naabot yung within 10 days? March 30, March 31, or April 1? Madali lang na, plus 10 mo lang. So, March 31. Under the perpetual inventory system, which of the following accounts would not be used? A, cost of goods sold. B, purchases. Or letter C, sales. Perpetual. Under the perpetual inventory system. Sales? Okay, so mali. It is purchases. Kasi sa perpetual, yung purchases, napapalitan siya ng term na merchandise inventory. Yung sales, walang pinagbago. Sales pa rin yung term na gagamitin. Ito, entry ulit tayo. The entry to record the return of goods from a customer would be return of goods from a customer. The entry to record the return of goods from a customer. Merong binalik yung customer. Okay, so check natin yung sagot. Debit, sales returns and allowances, and credit accounts receivable. Okay, so narito ka siguro dito. Ano kasi siya? Return of goods from a customer. So, ikaw yung may benta. Binalik sa'yo. Kaya hindi mo siya purchases. Hindi ikaw yung bumili. Ikaw yung nagbenta. So, hindi siya purchases. It should be sales. So, debit sales returns, SRA, and credit accounts receivable. At dito tayo sa mahaba-habang problem. Use the following information to answer the question 9 to 13. Sales, 750,000, SRA, 15,000. Sales discount is 10,000. Purchases, 170,000. Then PRA, 20,000. Transportation in is 30,000. Selling expenses, 75. General and 275,000. Beginning is 55,000 and ending is 35,000. So, ang una mong hahanapin ay net sales for the period. So, balik tayo doon. Magkano ang net sales for the period? Net sales. $725. Okay, check natin. Ayun, tama. So, the net sales is 725,000. I-deduct mo lang yung mga contra-income account. Itong sales returns and allowances and sales discount. So, total of 725,000. So, yun ang net sales. Next naman tayo ay net purchases. So, sa purchases naman tayo. Balik tayo sa problem. Net purchases. Ayan, 150,000 tama. 170,000, less mo lang yung purchase returns and allowances, which is 150,000. Cost of goods sold naman tayo. Cost of goods sold for the period. Okay. Take your time na lang. Okay, so for that now, which is 1,000. Tapos, kasama na ang transportation in na 30,000. Pinag-add mo yung dalawang yun, goods available for sale, at syempre kapag ending inventory, laging binabasa. So, correct 200. Of goods. So, next from ilan ang So, dito na rin pala si Ili, ano. So, Ili, yung tanong na natin dito sa problem ay profit for the period. Magkano ang profit? Okay, so meron ng sagot si Charlene, 525,000. Check natin kung tama. And profit for the period is, ang formula nun, net sales, bawas ang cost of goods sold, yun yung gross profit, which is 525,000. So, muntik na siyang tama. Gross profit yung nakuha niya muna. Okay, sige. So, ibabawas din doon, kasi gross pa lang yun, no? Yung mga operating expenses, which is selling and general administrative na 350,000, kaya a total of 175,000. Tama ba yung na-compute mo, Charlene? Dun sa next answer. 175,000. Okay, so sa next question na tayo. Ito, entry ulit tayo. The entry to record the collection of 4,000 account within the 2% discount period would be. So, collection of 4,000 tapos within the 2% discount period. Ano yung entry? Collection, so ibig sabihin madadagdagan yung cash. Ano ang i-debit at ano ang i-credit? Ayan. Debit cash, 3,920. Tama. And then, debit mo din yung sales discount kasi within the 2% discount period, which is 80 pesos, and accounts receivable of 4,000. So, ma-receive lang is 3,920. Next, the purchase discount account is a contra account to accounts payable, B, purchases, or letter C, sales. Purchase discount account is a contra account to accounts payable, B, purchases, or letter C, sales. Letter A. A daw, sabi rin ni Ili, pati rin si Charlene. So, tingnan nga natin kung tama. So, mali. It is purchases. Kasi, contra account, ibig sabihin, di ba, ang normal balance nitong purchases is debit. Ang kontra niya naman is itong purchase discount, which is kinikredit natin yung purchase discount. So, ang sagot ay letter B. Okay, and next question tayo. A physical count of inventory is usually taken A, at the end of the fiscal year, B, at the peak of the busy season, or letter C, at the start of the fiscal year. Okay, sabi ni Charlene, letter A. Si Ili kaya, letter A din. Tingnan natin, tama. At the end of the fiscal year. So, ayun lang. Thank you. Pero baka may gusto kayong itanong tungkol dun sa topic. Or magpa-quiz muna si Lina, saka kayo magtanong. Meron pang 3 minutes bago mag-end. Ayun, si Lira na yata, sunod na siya sa Q&A.
Yeah. Good morning, future CPA. Ayun, Q&A for completing the cycle for merchandising business. Number 1. Suppose Bebe mo had sales of 200,000 and sales return of 30,000. Cost of goods sold was 110,000. How much gross profit did Bebe mo report? A, 1,000. B, 120,000. C, 60,000. D, 80,000. Ay, wala akong baby. Paano ba yan? Hanapan kita. Charot! Si nga ba? Si yun. Feeling mo. C. Tingnan natin if tama. The answer is tama. Letter C, 60,000. Mako-compute natin siya by sales, 200,000. Sales rate, ilalas natin ang sales return and cost of goods sold na 30,000 and 110,000. Kaya nakuha natin yung gross profit na 60,000. Number 2. Suppose Justin Company's inventory account showed a balance of 50,000 before the year-end adjustment. The physical count of goods on hand totaled 33,000. To adjust the account, Justin Companies would make this entry. A, debit inventory for 17,000 and credit accounts receivable for 17,000. B, Debit cost of goods sold for 17,000 and credit inventory for 17,000. C, debit inventory for 17,000 and credit cost of goods sold for 17,000. D, debit accounts payables for 17,000 and credit inventory for 17,000. Pili na. C nga ba? Sure. The correct answer is letter. Wait lang. Wait lang. Ayaw. Wait, tayo gumawa. Ayun. Ang sagot is letter B. Debit cost of goods sold 17,000 and credit inventory for 17,000. Kasi nga 'di ba parang before year end yung inventory mo is 50,000. Eh ang nabilang mo lang na physical count is 33,000, parang sumobra ka. Kaya kailangan nating kailangan nating bawasan yung inventory, kaya natin siya kinready. Tapos yung cost of goods sold naman, kailangan natin. Letter B. Ayun. The beginning and ending merchandise inventories for Stelvester store for the year end December 31, 2021 are as follow. Merchandise inventory beginning 100,000, merchandise inventory ending 120,000. Prepare the adjusting entry to update the merchandise inventory account as at December 31, 2021. Catch up na lang po ng mga entries. Yan, may sagot na si Amy. Parang kulang pa. Go, go, go! Ayun, may sagot na. At ang sagot is, tama kayo. Income summary debit, 100,000. Credit merchandise inventory beginning, 100,000. and merchandise inventory and may mali si Ellie. Ayun. Na 120,000 and credit income summary for 120,000. Next question. Okay lang, lahat tayo nagkakamali. Pablo merchandise inventory account at the end of 2014 has a balance of 21,250. But a physical counts revealed that only 21,000 of inventory exists. What is the entry to adjust the accounts? Entry po. What is the entry? You can type na po sa chat box. Ngayon, may sagot na si Charlene. Hintayin natin si Ilni. Ngayon, reveal na lang yung sagot. Yan. Ayan. Ayan, tama kayo. Ang sagot is debit. Cost of goods sold 250,000 and credit inventory for 250,000. Ito, multiple choice. Which of the following accounts will appear on a worksheet for a merchandising entity uses the perpetual inventory system? A. Cost of goods sold. B. Purchases. C. Purchase discount. D. Purchase returns and allowances. A, B, C, or D. Pili na. A. Yan, sagot nila. And the answer is A. Tama kayo. Cost of goods sold. So, which of the following accounts is closed by debiting the account? A. Sales return and allowances. B. Purchases. C. Transportation in. D. Purchase return and allowances. A, B, or C? A, B, or C? Hala, mas pindot. Oh, hala. Wala pa pala kayo sagot. Ayok na ako. Ayan. A, B, or C ma. Tingnan. Ayun, may sagot na sila. So the answer is letter D, purchase, return, and allowances. So, which of the following accounts would not appear on a worksheet for a merchandising entity uses the periodic inventory system? A, cost of goods sold. B, sales revenue. C, purchase discount. D, purchase return and allowances. A, B, or C? Pili na. Which of the following? A. A nga ba? A. And the answer is letter A. Tama kayo. Cost of goods sold. Next. Which of the following accounts would appear on a worksheet for a merchandising entity that used the periodic inventory system? A. Purchase, return, and allowances. B. Sales revenue. C. Freight in. D. All of these. Which of the following accounts would appear on a worksheet for a merchandising entity that used the periodic inventory system? A, B, or C? A, B, C, or D? Tama. Letter D. All of these. Makikita natin silang lahat. To. The beginning and ending merchandise inventories for Josh Cullen store for the year end December 31, 2021 are as follow. Merchandising inventory beginning 328, merchandise inventory ending 350. What is the adjusting entry to update the merchandise inventory account as at December 31, 2021? You can type your answers na po mga adins. Let's wait here. Ayan, may sagot na si Charlie. Charlie. Let's wait for Miss Fernandez. Ayan. So, ang sagot is Yan. Income summary, debit 328,000, credit merchandise inventory beginning 328,000, tama kayo, and merchandise inventory end din 350,000 debit, and income summary credit na 350,000, tama kayo, ngagaling nyo na. Listed below is a partial trial balance of the Ken Susan retailers at December 31, 2021. Merchandising inventory 90,000, sales 220,000, 200,000, sales return and allowances 10,000, purchases 70,000 rather, purchase discount 2,000, transportation in 1,000. The merchandising inventory on December 31 is 60,000. So requirement 1 is prepare the adjusting entry needed for merchandise inventory and prepare the partial income statement. Papakita na lang natin. You can type your answer for the requirement number 1, the adjusting entry. You can type your answer na po. Ayun yung sagot na si Miss Charlene. Let's wait for Miss Fernandez. Sige, sige. And, ayun. Yan, income summary, 90,000 merchandise inventory beginning, 90,000. Merchandise inventory ending, 60,000 for debit, and income summary, 60,000 for credit. Ito tapos yung prepare the partial income statement. Hirap i-type yun sa papel, so ipapakita ko na lang. May papel sa chat. Ayun, hindi pumantay. Si merchandising inventory na 90,000 for beginning and 60,000 for ending. Sales return natin, i-credit natin siya for, lalagyan natin siya sa credit side for 200,000. Si sales return and allowances, 10,000. Purchases, 70,000 debit side. Purchase discount na 2,000 credit side, and transportation in na 1,000. Kaya ang total ni debit side is 171,000, while naman kay credit is 262,000. So, kailangan natin maglagay ng profit sa pinakamababa, kaya 91,000. And para ma-balance natin sila na 262,000 and debit and 262,000 for credit. Yun yung partial income statement natin. Yun, thank you and God bless.
So, ayun, wala na bang questions regarding sa credit? Kung wala nang tanong, pa-thumbs up na lang. Okay, so, naked. Okay. Sige. Alam mo na, mag-docu muna tayo bago tayo mag-end. So, pa-open na lang ng yun. So, smile na. 1, 2, 3. Thank you. Lira, wala ka nang iadagdag. Baka may cook ka pa dyan. Si Fed, wala na.
Wala na rin.
Sige. Umaga tayo natapos ngayon. So, di natin naabot ang 8:30. Ang gagawin natin? Charot. Ano man na?
Anyway, thank you sa participation nyo today. And thank you. Very active naman kayo. And ayun. So, wala na kaming idadagdag. So mag-e-end na tayo. Iyan ko na yung meeting. Thank you and God bless future space. Have a great day ahead. Bye!